Today I'll show you how to enable auto scroll on TikTok. First open the TikTok app. From here you can scroll normally. Now if you want to enable auto scroll, tap and hold the screen. This will open up this menu. Now scroll to the right in the top bar and you'll find auto scroll. Simply tap on it to turn it on. Now your TikTok will manually scroll through the different images, and after it's done it will scroll down to the next TikTok. If for some reason you're not seeing the auto scroll options, you can try setting up a gesture shortcut instead in the app. Once you're there, scroll down and find accessibility. In the accessibility menu, scroll down and find switch control. This feature is designed for users with limited mobility, but we can customize it to enable auto scrolling. Don't turn on switch control just yet, we'll set it up first. Click into the switches and add a new switch. From here choose screen and select full screen as the action. Here you can assign an action to your switch. Now go to recipes. Here create a new recipe. Assign it your full screen switch and tap on custom gesture. You can create a single swipe up or a double swipe up to suit the speed and length of the scroll you prefer. If you want the scroll to repeat in a loop, create a gesture that mimics continuous up and down swiping. Now go to switch control and turn it on. Now on TikTok you can just triple tap the home screen and watch your iPhone start scrolling by itself.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.